Welcome to this tutorial on how to enable private mode on LinkedIn using your PC. In today's digital age, maintaining privacy while networking is crucial, and LinkedIn offers a feature that allows you to browse profiles without revealing your identity. This is particularly useful for discrete networking or research. To start, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of features and updates tailored to your professional network. However, to enable private mode, you need to access your settings. Look at the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find the Me icon. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. On the left side of the screen, you'll see several options. Click on Visibility. This section allows you to control how your profile appears to others and how you appear when viewing their profiles. Under the Visibility section, you'll see an option labeled Profile Viewing Options. Click on Change next to this option. Here, you'll find three modes to choose from: Public, Semi-Private, and Private. To enable private mode, select the Private Mode option. When you're in private mode, your name and profile information won't be visible to others when you view their profiles. Instead, you'll appear as anonymous LinkedIn member in their Who's Viewed Your Profile section. Enabling private mode is especially useful if you're researching competitors, checking out potential job opportunities, or simply want to keep your browsing activity discreet. Remember, while in private mode, you won't receive notifications about who has viewed your profile either. By following these simple steps, you can maintain your privacy while still benefiting from LinkedIn's networking capabilities. Whether you're a professional looking to expand your network or a recruiter searching for talent, private mode can be a valuable tool in your LinkedIn toolkit. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your LinkedIn experience.